Hello everybody, welcome to another video in personality development skill. Today I am going to talk on perception and right mental attitude, or you may call positive mental attitude. I am going to give two or three examples how we people perceive a particular event or incident. For example, let us assume that a company which is manufacturing shoes sending a man, an executive, sales executive, to a newly found island wherein a lot of people, when he landed there, he found nobody was wearing shoes. So he called back the headquarters and said, "Boss, nobody understands the value of shoes, so I'm getting back." So the company decided, well, let us send another gentleman. So this executive, no sooner he landed down in that island, he found no one is wearing shoes. He thought, oh, everybody is not aware of the importance of shoes wearing. So he sent a message to his headquarters, "Boss, nobody understands the value of shoes. Please send 1,000,000 pair." See the difference in perception. Likewise, another perception. There was a saint, a sage, whatever you call him, was actually sitting and actually meditating at a village corner. And there was a gentleman who was actually selling some things, usables to citizens. He came to him and asked him, "Swamiji, how are these people in this village?" And he asked him, "Where are you coming from?" "I'm coming from," he is naming another village name. He says, "I'm coming from that X village." "How are those people?" he asked him. And he said, "They are very good, extremely good. They're very kind, they understand, they're very considerate, and I was able to sell whatever I wanted to. And he says, "In this village also, you will find all those people like those village." Sometime later, maybe a couple of days later, another person had come and asked the same question, "Swamiji, how these people are going to be in this village?" And he asked him the same question, "How are those people in that village where you come from?" And he says, "They're all idiots. They don't understand what is the real value of life. They don't appreciate new things, and they seem to be fools." And he says, "Yes, in this village also, only such similar people are living." So this is another perception. Yet another perception, I would like to quote. All you remember about David and Goliath story. Maybe in your kindergarten ages, you would have heard this story. Goliath is a great Amazon man. He was devastating a village. David is a small man, small boy. When Goliath was actually disturbing the village, David wasn't there. He had gone to some other place. So all his friends were waiting to receive him and tell him, because they all consider David is a man of courage and a man with a lot of skills and talents and so on. They respect him a lot. So they are all waiting at the entrance of the village to receive him and tell him and come make a complaint with them that these people are not able to do anything against Goliath, who was actually devastating life of everyone in the village. So David came back to his village and saw all his friends were actually waiting to receive him. He asked them, "What is the problem?" "Look, there's a big man, very big man. His name is Goliath." He asked, "What is doing?" "He is actually disturbing everyone in the house, in the village, and he is making our life literally very bad. Why don't you beat him?" And all of them said, "No, David, he is so big to hit." "Is it so? Come, let us go and see him." So David joins the friends and went to see the Goliath. Yes, Goliath is so a kind of an Amazon man, no? And he turned back to his friends and said, "What did he say? Yes, look at him, how big he is. He's so big to hit." But David replied to them, "Look, my friends, he's so big so that our hit will not miss. So you people say that you cannot hit him, but I say our hit will not miss him. So let us start hitting him." And the rest is a story. See, in all these three examples, the shoe sales executive, a vendor looking at the people, and David, all these people have perception, positive. How this perception is formed in a person's mind? We can say many reasons. Scientifically, to say to whom this person is born, the genetic matters a lot, DNA. In which school he studied, which college he studied, what is his environment, friends, house, his relatives, his teacher. And many people are involved in the life which actually give a person an experience, and based on the experience from his childhood, he forms a kind of perception. Now there is a strong correlation between perception and attitude. If you have a right mental attitude, you will have a very good positive perception of any problem. Look, for instance, in this COVID situation, there is one problem is identified as an opportunity. You know what is it? The recent decision, almost all the IT companies located in Chennai, particularly in OMR, are likely to shift their places of working. Already people have been advised to work from home. So the company started realizing, when we are able to get what we want from our workers, not all the 100%, maybe 70 or 60 or 80% of the workers. So they started thinking, why should we pay so much rent, or why should we own a large part of land, maintaining it, and spending a lot of money in terms of security, and to transport our employees from houses to the office, the expenses involved. So they started thinking, why not we actually convert the real office working is their houses. We can have hardly about 20 or 30% of employees, core employees, who are needed in the office, and the rest of the lower level working people can be monitored by asking them working from home. They can save a lot of money, and in fact it actually directly or indirectly will motivate the workers who are working at home, because they are going to be with their family. Okay, and see how a problem is likely to be converted into an opportunity. This is what the perception matters. So your right perception or right positive mental attitude is decided by some key factors, about 5 or 6 factors. So I call them the 5 or 6 steps to have right or positive mental attitude in my next video. Okay, now thanks for visiting this video and watched. Good luck.